Ito, bakit lahat na naman ang balita ko, Francis? There was something in my heart that made me long for the boat without me understanding why. That's when I started asking more questions. Your duty, CFD, is not to always provide answers. Your duty, CFD, my duty, our duty is to be available. Kung yung difference, we don't need to provide all answers right now. What we need to do is to become available for our family and friends so that when they are ready to ask questions, we are there in their lives. Nagigets natin? It doesn't mean na hahayaan natin sa gumawa ng mali. Tutulungan natin sila, but always ask for, Lord, help me to have a moment of grace. Okay? Meron pa kami ito dapat, pero baka mamaya ayaw nyo na. Dami-dami na po ito. Okay, last na. Okay? I am taught in Halo, I work with celebrities. No? You know that celebrities don't always have Catholic formation. Okay? I will not drop names. No? I work with a couple of celebrities. And I befriended one. No? I would not say na close na kami, but we talk often. In one of our Zoom calls, sabi niya sa akin, Bert, sabi mo, excited na kami na magpa-freeze ng eggs. Okay? Yung embryo, I don't know how you call that. Okay, so sabi na talaga, o bakit na naman naisip ni Blanc na magpa-freeze ng eggs? Kasi alam mo naman yung condition namin, Bert, ganito kaya, kwento siya. No? Artista yung tao. Talaga, okay. Alam mo, hindi ko sinabing mali siya. Ang sabi ko lang, by the way, bro, di ba nabanggit mo before na nagpo-confession ka kay Father so-and-so, celebrity rin yung pare. Ibig sabihin kilalang pare niya siya sa TV.